Hi, welcome to my office. I'm going to try this one more time with this timer. I'm going to see if I can recap 4 videos in less than 2 minutes. This didn't go well the last time, but we will try. I will put 2 minutes on the timer. Maybe I'll do 3. I don't think I can do it in 2. There you go. 3 minutes. Here I go. So we are going to put every student in our school on the stage for Christmas or December or winter or whatever your concert is called at your school. We are going to group classes. So we have 2 or 3 classes in a group, which helps us with volume. It helps us with timid singers. It helps us with keeping our concert to a 45 to 1 hour maximum concert. We are going to practice lineups with our students at least 4 weeks before the concert. We're going to start that lineup process in the classroom. We are going to practice standing on risers. We're going to practice how to come on, how to go off, and how to stand safely when you're there. We are going to, 2 weeks from the concert, give a list to the classroom teachers to say, please send your students to music in this order for the next 2 weeks, which will help us to be ready for our concert experience. Do not draw a fancy chart, just give them numbers 1 to 25. We are going to choose music that reflects some of the skills that students have been learning in the music classroom as we've been teaching them. So we may have movement things, actions with the younger students. We may have rhythm instruments and body ostinato or simple songs that are helping to be dramatized by younger students. We might actually add 2-part singing with middle-aged grades. We might add ukuleles, recorders. I have handbells. We do that. And there's also a chance I have a choir, so we add that as part of the performing experience, and an all-school finale to tie it all together at the end. I write that in my program so that parents know that the program has been timed to be 1 hour or less, and every student is involved in the final number, so please do not leave early with your students. I also write on the back of my program, the things you will see in the program today include these elements that are part of the curriculum that is being taught to your child in music classroom, so they know what they're seeing. It helps promote your program and helps them know that they are not just there for woohoo, an hour of entertainment, although the concert should be entertaining and pleasant for all. You may use a script that is something that you have created to tie all the things together that you have chosen for your students to perform. You may do just a performance with no script. It works. It does not have to be a prepackaged, full-on costume and script generated activity from outside of your school's experience. Make it your own and enjoy that process. I don't do costumes with my classes, but I do let the teachers of the classes know what their class is singing. If they would like to add props or costumes with that, they're welcome to do that. If you want to sing reindeer songs and have them all dressed in brown and make antlers, fill your boots. I will teach them music, and I will teach them on and off the stage. I will teach them performance etiquette, but I'm not doing costumes. And again, a lot of people just want to have fancy dressed up kids on the stage for the picture anyway, and so that works. Perhaps. Gee, did I get it all? All in the less than 3 minutes? I think I might have. Oh, big thing. Put everything for your concert in a binder. That's something I didn't do for a long time. There's my 3 minutes. Put everything in a binder and then divide it up by class, and I have pocket folders and I can put everything in there, and then you can find it instead of having sheets or music or books all over the place that you have to find your stuff. Anyway, that's my 3 minutes or less concert preparation 101 support manual on a video. Do take care of yourself, drink lots of water, get lots of rest. This is a busy time of year for music teachers, and you need to take care of you while you're taking care of everybody else and getting ready for this wonderful performance. Have a great day making music. Make music a great part of your day.